Did you know there's a tiny seed that could completely change the way you think about weight loss? Nope, it's not chia, flax, or even pumpkin seeds. It's something way more underrated: caraway seeds. You've probably walked past them in the spice aisle 100 times without even realizing what you're missing out on. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why caraway seeds might just be your new best friend for shedding those extra pounds. Let's be real, weight loss can feel like an uphill battle. From fad diets to pricey supplements, the options out there can be overwhelming and, honestly, disappointing. But what if I told you there's a natural, budget-friendly solution that not only helps with weight loss, but also supports your digestion and curbs bloating? That's where caraway seeds come in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these little seeds are a big deal, how to use them, and what makes them so powerful. Trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. So here's the challenge. We're bombarded with weight loss advice every single day. Eat this, drink that, cut carbs, don't cut carbs. The list goes on. But the truth is, most of these solutions are either unsustainable or simply don't work. Plus, they rarely address the root issues like poor digestion, inflammation, or hormone imbalances, which can all make it harder to lose weight. That's where caraway seeds come in. They don't just mask the problem, they go straight to the source. What makes caraway seeds special? Let's start with the basics. Caraway seeds are these small, crescent-shaped seeds with a warm, slightly nutty flavor. But don't let their size fool you. They're packed with nutrients. They're rich in fiber, antioxidants, and something called volatile oils, which are the secret sauce behind their health benefits. Now, here's the exciting part for anyone trying to lose weight. These seeds have been shown to reduce bloating, improve digestion, and even regulate appetite. Studies suggest that caraway seeds can help balance gut bacteria, which plays a massive role in how your body processes food and stores fat. Okay, let's get into the science, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Caraway seeds contain compounds like carvone and limonene, which have been shown to improve metabolism and reduce fat storage. There's even research showing that these compounds can help regulate blood sugar levels. Why does that matter? Because stable blood sugar means fewer cravings and more energy throughout the day. In one study, participants who consumed caraway extract saw a noticeable reduction in body fat and waist circumference, without changing their diet or exercise routines. Crazy, right? Imagine what could happen if you paired these seeds with a healthy lifestyle. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I'm sold, but how do I actually use these things? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Caraway tea. The easiest way to get started is with caraway tea. Just boil a teaspoon of seeds in water, let it steep for 10 minutes, and drink it before meals. This helps kickstart your digestion and prevents overeating. Add them to your food. Sprinkle them on salads, soups, or roasted veggies. They add a subtle, earthy flavor that enhances your dishes without overpowering them. DIY detox drink mix. Ground caraway seeds with warm water, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of honey. Drink this first thing in the morning to boost your metabolism and flush out toxins. Capsules or extracts. If you're not into the taste, caraway seed supplements are an option. Just make sure to choose a high-quality brand. Still skeptical? Let me share a quick story. One of my friends struggled with bloating and stubborn belly fat for years. She started drinking caraway tea daily, and within a few weeks, her clothes fit better, and she had more energy. She didn't change her entire diet or spend hours at the gym. It was just this one simple addition that made all the difference. Here's the bottom line. Caraway seeds are more than just a trendy ingredient. They're a powerful tool for anyone serious about improving their health and losing weight. They're natural, affordable, and backed by science. But remember, no single ingredient is a magic bullet. To get the best results, pair them with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Alright, let's quickly recap. Caraway seeds are a secret weapon for weight loss because they boost digestion, reduce bloating, curb cravings, regulate blood sugar. And the best part? They're super easy to use, whether as tea, a topping, or part of a detox drink. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's on their own health journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on holistic health and weight loss. And let me know in the comments, are you going to try caraway seeds? Or do you have a favorite way of using them already? I'd love to hear your thoughts.